Good morning, everybody.
Good morning,
Morning,
sir.
sir.
Put on this. Finished?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir. Completed, sir. 1 minute.
One minute, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute. Done, sir.
See, this is A, B, C, D. Okay. You know that distance is with respect to ground, no? So we should find the velocity of the bird, okay, with respect to air. So with respect to ground we need. Because distance are with respect to ground, no? You know that you can always do this. You know vector addition, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is wind. W is wind. So if these two are same, you can add no. Remember that AB
Yes, sir.
plus BC is what? AC. Okay. Or you will get the same thing from here also. Bird with respect to wind is bird with respect to ground minus wind with respect to ground. Now you need bird with respect to ground is bird with respect to wind plus wind with respect to ground. Same thing you are getting here and here. Agreed on it? Followed this? So here
Sir, agree.
he did not give anything. Did he give anything? Only n is giving. Let this be some v and this let it be u. Okay, so you have velocity of bird with respect to ground is vi. What in which direction is wind is blowing from? Okay, this is wind direction. This is wind direction is fixed. Velocity of wind with respect to ground is this. Okay, magnitude wise. Now you can see when the bird is moving like this. This is velocity of bird and this is velocity of, okay, then you have in this case when the bird moves in the direction of wind, what is the velocity of bird with respect to ground? You can see that both are in the same direction. Will be in the same direction or not? On the other hand, suppose this is the velocity of bird with respect to wind and this is the velocity of wind with respect to ground. Okay, then you can see that C to D, what is the velocity of bird with respect to ground? Magnitude is, it is nothing but this velocity minus this velocity. Do you agree with this or not? Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
This is C to D. Clear? Now what he has given, times he gave. The ratio of time of bird from B to A. Time from B to A to B. A to B is, say this is AB by speed. B to A is nothing but same time as C to D. That is nothing but CD by V minus U. Do you agree? So here ratio of timings is given is N. No? So here you have AB by V plus U by CD by V minus U is N. This will get cancelled. So this gives you what? Agreed. Now if you cross multiply and get V by U ratio. So you have NV minus V, okay, NU plus U equals V minus NV. From this you get V by U. Understood till here? So now I have successfully found the ratio V by U because that is not given in the question. Any doubt is that till here you can ask. Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I just found V by U, nothing else. Because except 10, nothing is given. So I assumed V and U. Now you have to connect V and U with N, no? So you got the interconnection between the assumed quantities and given quantities. What are the assumed quantities? V and U. What is the given quantity? N.
N.
Shall I turn the page?
1 minute, sir.
Hello? Completed?
1 minute, sir.
Sir, completed, sir.
Now see, should I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Now let us see. What he is asking is, at what angle should he fly? This is A, B, C, D. this is velocity of wind with respect to ground. Now that fellow should reach this one, This means this is velocity of that bird with respect to ground. This is fixed or not? He gave that only, no? He should start at A and reach point C. Am I right or not? That means
Yes, sir.
velocity of bird should be along AC. But however, wind is blowing like this and it is fixed. We cannot change that. These two are fixed. Then, see, for example, we are saying velocity of bird with respect to wind is nothing but velocity of bird with respect to ground minus velocity of wind with respect to ground. Do you agree with this? That means, do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir.
That means velocity of bird with respect to ground is the vector sum of these two, no? That means this should be the velocity of bird with respect to wind. Do you follow here? Now we should get this angle. If we get this angle, our problem is solved. So this is theta. He is asking at what angle he should swim, no? In one order to, at what angle should the bird fly? Okay, from the direction of wind flow. Understood this? Okay, he's asking this angle. He's asking this angle. What is alpha?
Sir,
Hmm.
the bird can move along AD also, no, sir. If it move along AD, it will be get pushed by the wind, so it will be.
Yes, man. That angle only. That is alpha should be 90. We don't know. No, I have to find that. Some alpha I am taking. Alpha is 90. It may move like this also. Or alpha may be any angle. We have to find that. Okay. Understood?
Yes, understood, sir.
Okay. Got this?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir, understood.
Now you have to find this now. Now, this is U. And what is this we got? V, no? Remember? Now, if this is alpha, what is this angle, man? Can you tell? This angle is 45 now. So what is this angle? Next all is maths only. Agreed? Now you can use V by sine rule I am using. Sine 45 is how much? U by sine theta. Do you agree with this? Any doubt is there? So sine theta is what? U into sine 45 by V. This is U by V into 1 by root 2. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And what is theta, man? If you are observe this diagram, theta plus 45 is alpha. So what is theta? Alpha minus 45. This is nothing but sine alpha minus 45 is U by V into 1 by root 2. This is sine alpha cos 45, agree, minus cos alpha sine 45 is equal to, already you got U by V is how much, man? U by
N
is
plus
1
1 by
minus
1
is
minus
1
1.
plus n into 1 by root 2. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Follow. This is sine alpha 1 by root 2 minus cos alpha 1 by root 2, 1 minus n by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 2. So this will get cancelled now throughout. Agreed.
Sir.
Now if you square on both sides, find alpha, something we should do, or convert this into sine by taking root over 1 minus sine square alpha. If you take this, you have sine square alpha plus cos square alpha minus 2 sine alpha cos alpha is 1 minus n by 1 plus n whole square. This is 1, no? You're able to understand? This is 1 minus, that is sine 2 alpha is 1 minus n by 1 plus n whole square. This is sine 2 alpha is 1 minus n by 1 plus n whole square. So sine 2 alpha, if you take LCM, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is how much? Remember? 4ab by 1 plus n whole square. So finally what I get? 2 alpha equals sine inverse 4n by 1 plus n whole square. This implies alpha is 1 by 2 sine inverse 4n by 1 plus n whole square. So, understood this? We have to extract alpha. You can see that physics is over here only. After the total thing is only application of your trigonometry. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So we got the direction at what angle the bird should start so that it will reach the point C. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Sir, one doubt.
Tell. Any number of doubts you can ask.
Sir, that I'm not understanding that how you are taking v by sine 45 equal to u by sine theta.
You finished trigonometry, no, in mathematics? Completed?
Yes, sir.
There is
Yes, sir.
something called sine rule, remember? And even I told this during basic math, sine rule, cosine rule, remember?
Yes, sir. Yes.
A by sine A equals B by sine B equals C by sine C. In this
Yes.
triangle, I am applying the sine rule. Okay, this side by sine theta is this side by sine 45. Okay,
Okay.
see here, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, you have A by sine A, remember? C by sine C. This is sine rule. Remember that here A, B, C should be same physical quantity. All three may be velocities. All three may be accelerations. All three may be distances. This should be same because vector is magnitude of a vector is represented by nothing but by length of a side, no, length of the line. That line here is A. Understood this or not? Magnitude
Yes,
of a
sir.
vector is length of a line. Here A is the length of one side. So magnitude of velocity can be represented by this side or this side. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Completed?
1 minute, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt in the exam questions, sir. A few 2 or 3 exam questions.
I'll just finish this reducible option, come back, I told you. No?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this first?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir,
Shall I turn this?
sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
After that, in the first column, you wrote now, sir, with blue pen. After that, you are continuing from the left side. Okay.
This one, huh?
Down that, sir. Down that.
After that, I went there. Here.
Yes, yes. Okay, sir.
I want to find alpha, man. This is sine 2 alpha, no?
Yes,
This
sir.
is 1, no? Sine square plus.
Yes, sir.
After that, I have sent this side. And I found alpha. Ultimately, we have to find alpha. That's all. Our task
Yes.
is to find the value of alpha. So use your mathematics, trigonometric knowledge and try to find alpha. That's it.
Completed, sir.
Now see, beauty of physics, man, he did not again struggle. Read the second part, what he says.
Sir, from A to D, sir. A to
He
D.
should reach here. That means what is this? Velocity of bird with respect to ground. That is fixed now.
Yes, sir.
Great enough. Now you know that this is already velocity of wind with respect to ground. Now you know that velocity of bird with respect to ground is velocity of bird with respect to wind plus wind with respect to ground. No, that means the other third vector should be this now, because this plus this gives you this or not.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose this is agreed. This is some theta, for example, I'm saying. Now we need this angle now. What is asked? We need this alpha. With the wind, he is asking now. He is asking velocity of bird direction, bird with respect to wind in the with the direction of the wind. That is what he is asking. Understood, is or not? Clear? Hello? Now from this triangle, can I take sine theta? Opposite. What is the opposite one? U. What is the adjacent one you got? Remember, V. This is nothing but, following or not? Trigonometry is ratio of length. That lengths may represent both velocities, displacement, acceleration. The quantity should be same. Understood this or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Alpha is theta plus 90. So what is theta? Alpha minus 90. This is alpha minus 90. 1 minus n by 1 plus n. What is this? Remember this trigonometric relation?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but cos alpha is, do you agree with this? Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Easy or no?
Yes, sir.
From where he should reach, ultimately where he should go with respect to ground. I think he might be feeling a little bit easy now, little relative velocity.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, what did you do that to the minus sign, sir? It should come n minus 1 divided by minus of 1 plus n. No, sir.
Where, man? This one. No?
Yes, sir. After that, next step.
This one.
Yes, sir. After you resolved it, cos inverse of n minus 1 divided by minus of n plus 1. No, sir.
This one I am saying.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Understood, sir. Understood.
This is 1 minus n, I wrote n minus 1, man.
Yes, sir. Understood,
Okay.
sir. Understood.
Finished?
1 minute.
Completed.
1 minute, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Note on this.
Completed, sir.
Hello, completed, man. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, completed, yes.
Yes, sir.
You are trying. Shall I do?
Yes, sir.
See how to find distance of closest approach. Earlier we have done. Have an idea?
90 degree.
Hmm? What you do know? The separation. What is that we have? This is A. This is B. You are given velocities. And what is this? And this distance is given, 60 meters is given. Now, usually for finding relative velocity, what we should do, we'll bring one particle to rest now. Okay, one second, wait. So now what we'll do, we'll bring one body to rest now. Okay. How to bring one body to rest? Remember?
Relative
How to-
velocity.
Hmm?
Opposite direction. Same
You can
magnitude.
bring any body to rest. Suppose I bring it to rest. You'll be adding here.
Minus.
Okay. So what is this angle, man?
180 minus 45.
Similarly, here also draw one parallel line. Okay, this is 180 minus 45, means this is again 45 only, no? This is minus U1, no? Do you agree with this? So, any doubt is there? Then this, which is higher vector? This one is 2, this is 14. So that means resultant will be somewhere like this. What is this called? Velocity of B with respect to A. Remember this? Any doubt is there?
Doubt,
Now
sir.
you can see what is the magnitude of this. Two vectors are there. This is the resultant of this. Using parallelogram law, you can get this as magnitude of this plus magnitude of this. Okay. My plus parallelogram law 2 into 14 into 2 into cos 90. Remember this?
Yes, sir.
Hello? So you will get some value. Understood? So we want minimum distance. What we should do, man? Drop one perpendicular. Remember that it is goes like this. You just to drop one perpendicular somewhere, anywhere it may be. This is the minimum distance now. Do you agree with this? Follow this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Find out this value, you will get this. How to find D, we'll find out. Wait. If we can get this angle, our problem is solved. Okay. So this is a resultant now. Suppose this is some theta. Some alpha will take. What is tan alpha from parallelogram law of vector? With what it makes this one? What is the other one you have? 2. 2 sine. Remember this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. So this will be this angle. Theta is 45 minus alpha. 45 minus tan inverse 1/7. Now you can see from the triangle sine theta is d by 60. This is nothing but d equals 60 sine theta. D equals 60 sine. Understood this? Any doubt is there? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you use your method? Understood the method now? Any doubt is that this is from parallelogram law. Remember this? Shoot here. BC is AB cos theta. UBA is known into T. Now we can observe that all the things are known. This is known. Theta is known here. Then you can find time or not. I'm just telling the method. So thus we got the time when they are at the closest distance. Any doubt is there till here? Boys, any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall I turn the page? Now, if you have grip on your applications of mathematics, you can do it in a much simpler way. I'll tell you now. Note down this. Shall I turn the page?
1 minute, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Now here we can easily
1
calculate.
minute, sir.
Shall I do this? Shall I turn this?
Done, sir.
See here, the diagram, only mathematics will change. Okay, the diagram is this side, no? Right. The concept is same, physics concept remains same. Only thing is the skills of mathematics you should know. See, this is velocity. If you look at this diagram, UBA is contributed by these two vectors, no? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So what I'll do now, UBA cos theta if you take, that means the contribution of this along this is nothing but what is the component of this along this? What I'm writing is try to understand. UBA along AB is consists of U2 along AB. For explanation purpose, I am writing. Next time you should do it straight away. Along AB. Do you agree with this? This is nothing but UBA cos theta. This is 14 cos 45 plus this is 2 cos 45. Do you agree with this? Hello? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is sum of, because this is a result of this. So this along a particular direction, take these as the same direction. Remember? So this is nothing but UBA sin theta 14 sin 45. Do you agree with this? See, this is in this direction. Do you agree with this or not? So what you should take here? Minus 2 sin 45. Any doubt is there till here? Boys?
No, sir.
That means you are having this equation. Another method I am saying. Previously you got, but calculations are difficult. You can use calculations like this. Do you agree with this? Followed. Now if you divide one by the other, or from this any one of equations, from this or the first if you divide, what is that you have? Sin theta by cos theta, because these two will get cancelled now. You will get 14 sin 45. You know about sin 45 now? 1 by root 2. If you substitute that and simplify that, you will be getting this exactly as tan theta, no? Three by 4 you will get. So that tan theta is how much? Theta is how much? 37 degrees. Do you agree with this, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
The easiest way you'll get theta. Now substitute this again in any of the equations. This gives you UBA as 10 root 2. Okay. Thus you got angle theta understood this? Now from that B equals AC. That is nothing but AB sine theta. 60 sine 37. 60 into 3 by 5. So the minimum distance will be 36 meters. And what else is asking? Time. Time is nothing but that BC by the velocity vector in that direction. Okay, this BC is nothing but 60 cos 37 by 10 root 2. So now the time will be 12 root 2 by 5 seconds. So thus this will be easing your calculations. Previous method is also correct, this is also correct, but this is easier in calculations. Now you will get more ideas like this if you do it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Now tell.
Sir, how you got AC is equals to AB sine theta?
You look at this triangle, you have the diagram. This is AB, no? This is a right angle triangle, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sin theta is what? AC, opposite by adjacent. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
From that you'll get AC, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Now understood, sir.
Everybody is intellect only, man. Only thing is, you should utilize that intellectual abilities.
Sir,
Tell.
the first step, what did you do, sir? How did you get cos UBA cos theta plus 14 cos 45?
This is
Yes, sir. After that, sir, cos 45, how are you getting that cost value, cos theta?
here. Look at this diagram. U2 cos along AB is how much? Remember?
Yes, sir.
This is 45 only, no? See,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir. Sir,
So
you are
any-
using cosine rule, right?
No, I'm just adding. See, this is a resultant of two vectors. Sum of two vectors. For example, see, AB bar you want. It is made up of, say, P bar plus Q bar. Then AB along x-axis is P along x-axis plus Q along x-axis. Remember this?
Sir.
Remember? Suppose this along y, this is y. Like that we can take, no? Now I am
Yes, sir.
taking along AB, I am taking along any line you can take, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir, understood, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Don't worry when you're going on, doing, you'll be an expert. The people who got IIT advanced also, they too came like you only. Only thing is, some people will have the tempo till finals. Some people will lose initially, some people in the middle. So whenever you feel little lowering down, you can express. So this topic I need. I'll express. You finish your trigonometry and sine rule, if people are unable to do, some people may. The reason is the syllabus is going at a faster pace than you are able to pick up. You are still in first year, there's no hurry for you. Initial beginning stages, we should see that you are perfect. Then we can raise up. Foundation should be strong, no? Shall I turn this?
We did not do that chapter, sir. Properties of triangles.
You did not do a
So we
No, sir,
did not
no.
do
trigonometry. You said you completed now.
trigonometry
No,
completed, sine rule, cosine rule, we did not do all that.
properties of triangles. That we did not do.
Why
Yes,
you are
sir,
going
not.
like? No, he's not doing one. Whatever is easy things he's doing, all difficult things he's leaving, I think. Student satisfaction. There's one nonsense going on here. One section at least should be completed, no? Here some topics, here that topic, missing like that. It be headache, no?
Maybe later, sir, will cover, sir.
Yes, man, that will affect here, no? I will also leave all these topics and teach later. In between, I leave relative velocity like that.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
that is problem I'm saying. This is the headache we are getting. He is teaching all easy topics, leaving all difficult things. Suppose you expect I leave all this. I can also say, Abba, physics is excellent, na, you can make me. I'll give two vectors, add them by parallelogram law. Over, very good, very good. Is that IIT, yeah?
No, sir.
And then, why I am posting LN assignment, man, why should auto accept? I am challenging that nobody teaches more than what I teach. I am putting on paper. Because I am aged, quite aged, I don't want to unnecessarily to jump. Whatever I feel cool, I'll teach. Any number of times, because teaching I like, it's a passion for me. Shall I turn this?
Sir.
Now, the concept which I have used here is, you know that, suppose this is A, R bar, A bar plus B bar. See, this you can write, remember this, K component. Then what is that you are having here? AXI, AYJ plus AZK plus BXI, BYJ plus BZK. So here RXI, RZK is AY plus BYJ plus AZ BZK. Now what you are doing? Are you not equating these two? What is that you are doing?
Equating.
That means Rx equals Ax plus Bx. Similarly, this is what we have done in vectors. This is Ry is Ay plus By. Rz is Az plus Bz k cap. Then this implies what are this?
Yes, sir.
Now if you compare, that means R along any direction is nothing but A along the same direction. This is what is the story we learned now. Plus B also along same direction. For example, if I take R resultant along Mn, I should take A along Mn plus B along Mn. Agreed or not? Or R along PQ, A along PQ, B also along PQ. Remember this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Same
Yes, sir.
concept I used here. This is the resultant of two vectors. What are those? U1 and minus U1. So I'll take this UBA along AB I have taken. The resultant is the component should also be taken along the same line or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Same thing I wrote here. Any doubt is there till here? This
No doubt, sir.
concept of vectors I invoke for ease of calculations. So what I mean to say is the more you do, you will get more ideas. Applications will be better. Applications are once improved. You'll become an expert in physics. You will never forget. You will enjoy physics. That inertia will be the beginning. How to will get that irritation. First time, no, you're doing all this. In school, that thing is there. In school, no vectors. No vectors means no physics. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Over?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Finished? Hello?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Now, suppose we are having two particles are moving. One is V1, okay, and this is some V2. So there is a line joining the particles. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is θ1, this is θ2. So this is L is the distance between them. Now along the line joining the particles, what you have, man? V1 cos theta, V2 cos θ2. Agreed. Now if I take velocity of A with respect to B, means, what is the meaning of this? Velocity of A if velocity of B is 0. Do you agree with this? That means velocity with which A approaches B. Do you agree with this? Agreed on it. That means B is at rest. Velocity is 0. Now A will be approaching this with what velocity? VAB. Do you agree with this or not? What is VAB? VA minus VB. What is VA? V1 cos theta minus V2 cos theta. So what is the velocity with which it approaches? Follow this?
Yes, sir.
So this is what we call it as velocity of approach. See, when A approaches B, what will happen? Velocity is rate of change of distance, no? Agreed. That means I can say that E is nothing but this one only, no? Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
This is nothing but what is the distance? I'll take a negative sign. Can you tell the reason? This negative sign, why did I take? Negative sign is taken since L decreases with the time. Understood this?
Sir, but how is L decreasing, sir, with time? It is
Pardon? Hello?
I'm not understanding how LS decreases, how LS decreasing with
Yes,
time.
man. When A is coming here, what happens to L? Initially it is L. This is a trace. As A is coming, L is decreasing or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Follow till here?
Yes, sir.
Right then. We'll meet in the next class tomorrow. Till here you followed now fully?
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
Right, right. Right. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay. And evening I'll post the password. Those are interested can attend. My advice is better to attend. Okay,
Okay.
right. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Good
morning,
the
sir.
system is hanging. It is not responding fast. I am struggling for last 10 minutes. Okay. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, today we have a wonderful job to undertake. That is looking at the